Hello, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Random Fridays. So we have a new package in here. I don't know what it is, so come on, let's check it out. Alright, so with this package, again, I don't know what it is. It got shipped to me. I don't know what it is. So again, some companies are contacting me and they're sending stuff. And I don't know which one is this. So let's check it. There's another package. So it just says important and has something in there. Wireless CarPlay. What? Wireless CarPlay something. Okay, I cannot really read it. But yeah, so it comes on this package. It says important. Let's open this. I think this is the, if I remember it right. Yep, so it's a Carlinkit kit. So let's see. So this is a bubble wrap. Okay, so it's the Carlinkit 2Air wireless USB adapter. So there you go. So this will make your Apple CarPlay wireless and your Android Auto wireless. So it's plug and play. So if you have a wired CarPlay or wired Android Auto, you can use this. Just plug it in where the CarPlay is supposed to go, or your iPhone is supposed to go, and it will work wirelessly. So let's check this one out. So as I mentioned, wireless connectivity, plug and play. So it has Bluetooth. So it has online upgrade, which is OTA. So according here, continue the operation of the original car, button, knobs, mic, etc. So yeah. So specs, model is CPC200-2Air. So 5 volts connectivity. So it has Wi-Fi connection. And then dual band 2.4 to 5 gigahertz. So dimension, it says there, so it supports iPhone 6 plus, basically above, and iOS 10 and above. Support Android phone 11 and above. So let's open this and check how it looks like. All right, so now let's remove it from the packaging. Awesome, nice packaging. All right, so it's that small. That's it, basically. So you have a USB port in here. You have the USB Type-C here on the other end. Yeah, this is where you plug in your device, I believe. So let's see. So it comes with 2 USB cable. So USB Type-C and a USB Type-C to USB Type-A. So yeah. And let's see which one actually goes. I believe this one goes here. Actually, you actually use this to connect to the car side. Or if you have a USB Type-C that goes to the car side, then you use this, I believe so. So we will double check on the manual. All right, so let's check the user guide. Okay, so with the user guide in here, yeah, I believe it does that. So again, this is a simple plug and play thing. So it gives you the instruction how to do the online update. So you just enter some IP address in there, and yeah, and it will update it in the yeah, it will update basically in the background. So we'll try. Hopefully we don't need to update. Hopefully it comes updated so it has Chinese um, on the other side and English on the other end. So LED indicator in here is red for power indicator, green status, basically it's successfully connected. So again, let's go to the car. All right, so this is our stereo in here. Again, this will only work on factory stereo, and we have to plug it in on this USB in here. So you can see I use an angled USB because I'm using a switch panel. So what we're gonna do is plug this in and then to the Carlink kit. Alright, so we're just gonna connect this one out. So we're using the USB type A going to the car, and we're gonna connect it here. And let's see. There you go. And then this should flash green once it's connected to the phone. So right now it's red because we're not connected to it yet. So I'm gonna use my other iPhone in here, and then we're going to go to settings, and then general, and then CarPlay, and then as you see there, it recognized it immediately. AutoKit _ 0A2. You just need to click on that, and it should recognize it on the car in a moment. So right now it's still red in there, so meaning it's not yet connected. Oh, and before we can actually connect to that, we need to connect the device. So we need to go to Bluetooth, and then we need to connect here. There you go, so it's connected. Now there you go, so it is connected. So we just need to click. Oh, I didn't click it at all, so it did it by itself. So we'll see. So it is connecting. There you go. Apple CarPlay is there, and it even shows the Toyota. I don't have the Toyota app on this phone. Oh, it goes back to home when you click Toyota. Okay, so this one, it's the map, and I don't have mobile data on this phone, so it will not pull any map, but it is functional. It is a wireless CarPlay, so as you can see in there, it is, I'll put it always dark. Yeah, you can put it automatic. You can go back home and go back to the main screen. It is responsive. I like it. Yeah, this is nice. So let's see if it will pull anything. Again, it will not because I don't have mobile data connected or network to this particular phone that I have. But yeah, so this one is good. So if you want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description below. This will be very helpful for those looking for wireless CarPlay added to their phone, and it's an inexpensive way of adding Apple CarPlay on your phone. Also, yeah, you can do it. Basically, if you have wireless charging on your phone, you can just put it in that wireless charger, and then you're connected wirelessly also to your CarPlay. So that works well also. Again, if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. Again, this is the Carlink kit 2Air. Um, yeah, again, I'll put the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. King Cap.